Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Leslie Salvador Mejia. I'm 40 years old. I live in Barangay Manalpak, Sorsogon, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. I am a fast learner and hardworking person and responsible person. I have one son and I am the youngest of the family. I have an experience in Singapore. I serve 3 members of the family, one couple and one child.
Okay. In Singapore, how long you work there?
4 years,
2 years. And
2
the
years.
child, how old the child?
4 years old now.
A girl or a boy?
Boy.
It's a boy.
Yes.
Okay, so how do you take care of him?
I take care of him by breastfeeding, change the diaper before mom.
So when you arrive with them, how old is he?
2 mom.
2 years old. Okay, so when you left, he's already 4.
4, yes.
Okay, beside caring of him, what else do you do as a helper in the house?
Cleaning the house and washing the clothes of my employer.
You did not cook there?
No, ma'am.
Who did the cooking?
We eat outside, ma'am.
So that's daily? You eat outside? Before?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes the ama will come and buy the food, ma'am, with us.
Okay, so never in your 2 years there, you never cook for them?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Only with if my employer is in their day off, we cook noodles together with him or her.
Okay. What was your day off before? Do you have any day off?
Sunday, ma'am.
This is weekly day off?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And why you did not continue working with them, or why you did not renew your contract with your employer?
Yes, because my mother asked me not go back to Singapore, ma'am, because that time is election. My mother is a politician. And that's why he said to me that you're not going back anymore. Then you take care me and your father.
Okay, how about now? Is your family, like your parents, allows you to go back abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How about your son? Who will look for him?
My mother, ma'am.
You have a
And my living partner, ma'am.
Okay. And if ever you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will, if I feel homesick, just keep in touch with them, and I makes myself busy, do the household chores.
What was your education attainment?
Bachelor of Elementary Education, ma'am.
Are you a registered teacher?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And what's the reason you want to work in Hong Kong now?
I want the reason why I want to go to Hong Kong, a better future with my family and a higher salary.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
It depends if my employer want me to renew if I finish my contract.
Okay, as long they will need you, you will work with them.
Yes.
And are you afraid of any pet?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of pet?
Dog, ma'am.
So big and small, afraid of both.
Yes, ma'am, but if it's small, it can be.
So small, can you manage to look for a small dogs
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Okay. And are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes,
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
yes,
Are you willing to look for a newly born baby in Hong Kong?
yes,
There's a grandparent staying in the house. That okay for you?
yes.
Okay. Your future employer will only offer you twice a month off in the 2 other of will pay you. Is that okay also for you?
Yes,
Note Sunday will be given to you only weekdays. No problem with that.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
To my future employer, I can assure that I will finish my contract and I will work with them with all my heart and my capabilities, and I will treat them like my own family. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 28.